Welcome back, everyone. We went ahead and picked up this Hallmaster quick disconnect from Harbor Freight, and then we picked up a ballast box from Amazon, which we'll do another video on, but today the video is just on getting this 3-point quick hitch onto the Kubota tractor here. Now, these things sell for about 130 bucks in Harbor Freight. They can commonly be found with coupons or on sale. It pretty much comes together. That's what you get in the box right there. Everything is on there. It comes with the pins and everything. Now, a lot of people online have issues with these things, but you really got to read the box here. So it's designed for tractors up to 45 horsepower. Fits most Category 1. That's going to be the kicker there. Most. Meets ISO specifications. Includes mounting pins and clips for tractor side mount. Bushing pins for implements not included. So that's where a lot of people were getting hung up on the implement bushing and on that hook up there. So we're going to see exactly how this thing fits on there. It should square up pretty easy, but we're going to get it lined up and see how it fits. All right, we got it installed. You can basically do it with one person. This thing fit great. I don't see any issues with it. I know people had some trouble with it in the past, but this thing absolutely fit good on this tractor. Excellent little tool here, and we'll get the ballast box on here and see what we can do. All right, there it is. We got the implement loaded up here onto the Hallmaster 3-point quick disconnect hitch. Everything fit fine. We have no clearance issues. Maybe Harbor Freight already updated these issues here, but no problems at all hooking everything up. We're gonna load some bricks into it and see how it holds up. Hallmaster 3-point quick hitch for tractors. This is on our Kubota BX series tractor here. The part number for this is, wherever it is, I don't think it's on there. Oh, 97214, there it is. We got this implement box off of Amazon. It's just a cheap box. But we want to show you how well this 3-point hitch works. So we have everything locked down. It'll automatically engage the locks. We want it back straight up to this tractor and go ahead and lift this thing up. All right, we're on the tractor. We're gonna go ahead and just reverse a little bit until we square up with it. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and pull back on the handle and lift up, and it should lift this. Show you that the implement is on there. No worries, easy to go on. We're gonna go ahead and back it back on there and take it off and show you how easy it is. All right, we're still on the tractor. We're just gonna go ahead and pull up the levers here to release everything. Everything is released. Make sure you have something underneath your implement. We're gonna go ahead and lower it now. And it should disengage by itself. All right, we're gonna pull forward and see if we're off. And that's it. Simple, easy. That's the Hallmaster 3-point hitch. It works wonderful for the price.